Welcome to my channel, MC Wisdom TV. Don't forget, I'm still your favorite comedian Wisdom. Don't forget, it is believed that some Igbos do not translate what they hear very well, especially when it comes to English. Now, I will be going out today to ask on this. Asokata Anya, Egbuo Nkata okwu. Who and who can translate this to English? It is a proverb that means if you accord so much respect on somebody for a long time and he doesn't respond well, what you do is to keep the respect aside and talk to the person. So my able viewers, I urge you to please subscribe. Make sure you hit that red button there, subscribe before you continue watching the video. God bless you. Thank you, madam. I see you now go and even them do. That's a very nice song. I know we success, yeah? There is this Igbo adage that says, Asokata Anya, Egbuo Nkata okwu. Can you tell us this in English? Repeat it in English.
I'll mix up, then I can explain some. Asokata Anya, like it was like the king. The king was saying something that is not good. Understand? But not that does not mean that people doesn't know that is that what he's saying is not good. But we are just giving him a kind of respect. But at times we use a basket and cover our head.
Jesus Christ!
Or our face and talk to him.
Madam Taylor or Mrs. Taylor, which was right for you, Miss or Mrs.?
Anyone you call.
Alright, you're welcome. I am my name MC Wisdom. There is this Igbo adage that we are looking for English translation. Asokata Anya, Egbuo Nkata okwu. Can you say that in English?
You have asked someone that understands it.
So you don't understand it or what?
You understand it.
Even in English translation, that is Asokata Anya.
If you don't understand Igbo, then I'm now translating it.
Okay, you're not Igbo.
I'm an Igbo. Oh, but I don't understand it.
You don't understand it, brother. What kind of nonsense with you? My brother, sorry for the interruption. There is this adage that says, Asokata Anya, Egbuo Nkata okwu. Can you translate that to English? Asokata Anya, Egbuo Nkata okwu.
After feeling shy for a king for so long, you will put basket in your eye and tell the king his misdeed.
There is this adage that says, Asokata Anya, Egbuo Nkata okwu. Can you repeat this thing in English?
What it actually means is that if you talk to the king, then wear cap. That cap is a form of respect. Then you now talk to the king. What it signifies is loyalty. They are loyal to the king.
So that is the translation. Alright, thank you. There is this Igbo adage that says, Asokata Anya, Egbuo Nkata okwu. Can you say this in English?
I can't.
You can't?
I can't.
Is that your final say? Why don't you give it a try? Asokata Anya, Egbuo Nkata okwu.
I seriously, I can't because I do too much of it.
You didn't do much of Igbo in school,
Yeah.
but you are Igbo.
Yeah.
You are Igbo. No problem now. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. So what's up now? Thank you. There is this Igbo adage that says, Asokata Anya, Egbuo Nkata okwu. Can you repeat this thing in English? Repeat it in English. Asokata Anya, Egbuo Nkata okwu.
If they decide for king or no.
If you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through